How they pick a sliding glass door.
Less than 4 seconds.
And don't put no bars on the doors so you can keep motherfuckers out. And no, it ain't nothing but some terrorists over here. See that? We didn't know that shit was that easy, and we was over here a whole damn year with a fucking door like this, where they coming over here sticking shit on people's ass. Then don't want you to have no screen or no fucking window, no air conditioner, so that you had to open your window so Ezel can climb in. Yeah, to fuck these niggas up. The niggas that think you should live over here. And whoever built this shit, they motherfucking ass fucked up. Feel safe? Feel safe?
Now, I'm assuming that this trick will work for aluminum and wood windows.